Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Today we are solving a new exercise 1.4 from the 9th class books. I am trying to solve an important questions of each exercise. Today we are solving exercise 1.4. Question number 11 is very important. Let question number 11, part A. Let A 3, 2, 1 and B matrix is equal to minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3, 4, 2. So how we are show that A plus B transpose A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This question is very important for the board preparations. Look here, we are taking left hand sides A plus B whole transpose. First of all, we are required A plus B matrix is required. We consider the term here. Consider the term A plus B. We are needed here. First of all, we add these two matrices plus minus 3, 4, 2. In addition, we are adding first element to the first element, second element, second element, and third element to third element. So now we 3 plus minus 3 we write in the parenthesis. Now we give the space. We are going second term 2 plus 4. Also this term is finished. Now we are going to the third term 1 plus 2. Now we add this 3 plus into minus minus 3 minus 3. 2 plus 4 we get 6. 1 plus 2 we get 3. Now further simplify. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6, 3. But we are required A plus B whole transpose. This implies that we are going to the big question. So something is remaining, that is transpose of the matrix. So A plus B whole transpose. Transpose means rows change into column. Rows change into columns. I have discussed this thing in the previous video. You watch my previous video. So 0, 6, 3 transpose means rows change into column. So we write 0, 6, 3. So this will be changed into column. Now we are going to the value of find of right hand side. Taking right hand side, A transpose plus B transpose. We can write A transpose 3, 2, 1 transpose plus similarly minus 3, 4, 2 transpose. According to the deviation of transpose, we can write rows change into column. Now we change rows change into column. 3, 2, 1. Similarly, we change this matrix minus 3, 4, 2. Now here addition show that we add first element to the first, second, third, and so on. So 3 plus into minus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2. So this will be 0. 6, 3. Now also you give the equation number first and equation number second. Now comparison of the right hand side of the equation number second and similarly the equation number first, both are same. Now we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both results are equal to 0, 6 and 3. We have verified that both results are equal. C matrix is given and also D matrix is given. We put the values 7 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 2, 1. Similarly, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. We do that C plus D transpose, C transpose minus plus D transpose. The same procedure just like we already done. Now we are taking the left side C plus D whole transpose. Now we consider first of all we find this term C. Consider the term. Consider the term C plus D is equal to C plus D. We put the value 7 minus 2 minus 3 sorry minus 3 2 1 1 1 2 2. We add first element to the first, second with second, and so on. Continue the process. Now look here, C 7 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 2 plus 2 and 1 plus 2. So you will get here 8 minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 2 plus 2 4 1 plus 2 3. Now we get here C plus D result is equal to 8 minus 2 4 over 3. Now this entirely we are going to the break. C plus D whole transpose is required. So 8 minus 2 4 3. Now it means that transpose means rows are changed into column. Here are rows, first row, second row, we change it into column 8 minus 2. This will be column changed, and 4 row 3 is also changed. So this is the solution of C plus D whole transpose. Now we are going to right hand side, taking the right hand side. C transpose plus D transpose. So we can also write C transpose plus D transpose. C will be 7 minus 3, 2 1, 1 1, 2 2. Now we change rows change into column. These are the rows. 7 minus 3 change into column. Similarly, the second row is also changed to column 2 1. So transpose is finished. Now here the first row is changed 1 1 and the second row is changed to 2. Now we are taking addition. 7 plus 1, 2 plus 2, minus 3 plus 1, 1 plus 2. Simplify it. So 8, 4, minus 2, 3. Now look here, this result and this result, 8, 4, minus 2, 3, both are same. So we can say that C plus D whole transpose is equal to C transpose plus D transpose. The result is 8, 4, minus 2 and 3. First, let A is equal to and B is equal to 5, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Now we want to prove that A B whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Both results must be same. Otherwise, our question is wrong. Now we simplify. First of all, we change left hand side. Taking left hand side, A B whole transpose. We cannot directly find A B transpose. First, we consider the term here. Consider the term A B. First of all, we find this one. A B means we multiply to each other. So 2, 3, 2, 5, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. And multiplication, the process is just change. We can write first row multiply by first column. Means that 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, head multiplied by head, and this process we put addition in the middle term. So 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Now the first row and first column is finished. Now the column is same, row is same. We change the column and also give here the space. 2 and 2, 1. 10 multiplied by 10 plus head multiplied by head, 5 multiplied by 3. Similarly, the second row process is the same, just like the first row. Minus 3 and 2 minus 1 plus 4 multiplied by 2. Similarly, give the space. The second row is finished in the column first. Similarly, minus 3 is multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3. Now we multiply these terms. 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2, 5 multiplied by 2 plus 10. Give the space. 2 multiplied by 1 2, 5 multiplied by 3 15. Similarly, minus into minus plus 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2 8. Give the space. Minus 3 multiplied by plus 12. Now last term we get minus 2 plus 10 8, 17. Here is 11 and plus 9. Now we are required A B whole transpose is equal to here. A B transpose is required 11 9. So according to the definition of transpose, we change rows into columns. Rows are changed into column 18 17. This will be column, and here is the second row is changed 11 9. So this will be the first equation. We give the first equation, we get A B whole transpose. Now we try to write right hand side. Taking the right hand side is B transpose. A transpose is required. B transpose we can directly here put row, and also transpose we can put row. B is equal to minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Similarly 2 and 5, minus 3, 4. Now if we take transpose here, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Similarly here 2, 5, minus 3 and 4. Now we use B transpose. A transpose is equal to, we multiply first row multiplied by first column. So minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus in the middle we put addition, head multiplied by head, 2 multiplied by 5. Similarly, the first row multiplied by second column. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Now second row we start. Second row multiplied by first column, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4. Now we simplify this one. Minus 2 plus 10 plus 3 plus 8. And here is 2 plus 15 and minus 3 plus 12. So at this one minus 2 plus 10 we get 8, 11 and here is 17 and here is 9. Now the comparison of say first equation and second equation. Now we are comparing. Now you can write now comparing equation number first and second, we get both results are equal. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the result is equal to 8, 11, 17, 9. This question is very important for the board paper also. So the second part is also same, just like the same process we are using. Thank you very much for watching. Inshallah next video will be coming step by step. Thanks again for watching.